video. This is the Kia Seltos GT line, which is the top spec model. This is the one with the old logo though. So it gets really nice looking LED headlamps. There's no projectors. It's just an LED setup right here. This being the GT line, you get red elements everywhere. You get the front parking camera right here. It's camouflaged with the grille. You get 4 parking sensors at the front, which the Hyundai Creta misses out on. You get the GT line badging. And the indicator looks absolutely fabulous. The LEDs have been done really well. These are the ice cube fog lamps, which as Kia calls them right there. It gets a really nice chrome finish that connects the 2 headlamps. The design of the car is quite good. I mean, it stands quite tall. And these are the tires of the car. They are 17-inch tires right here. It gets red brake calipers right there. And this is the mirror with the chrome finish, and it says Kia right there. The door handles are finished in chrome, and they get a request sensor on the driver's one. And red elements, again, red elements everywhere. It says Bose right there because this gets the Bose sound speaker system. The tail lamps look quite cool. The LEDs, they look very nice. But unfortunately, the indicator is the bulb. That's quite strange. So you get the reverse lamp in the middle of the chrome line right there. It says Seltos over there. It also says GT line because it needs to keep reminding you that this is the GT line. That's the reverse camera right there. So you also get a camera on the mirrors, which I forgot to show. Yeah, this gets a 360-degree parking camera, which works really very well. So, and this is the rear wiper washer and of course the rear defogger, and you get a high mounted stop lamp. Let us go ahead and open the boot. So the boot is electromagnetic, and of course the boot space is identical to the Hyundai Creta, in which, to be precise, is 433 liters right here. You don't get anything more over there. It's not an electric tailgate, it's an electromagnetic one. So there's plenty of space. We'll just go ahead and close the boot for now. You get a reflector right there and says Bharat 6 over there. You get fake exhaust, of course, and 4 parking sensors at the rear. The exhaust is so fake though. So overall, this looks really very cool. So on the interior, it says Kia right there. It gets 6 airbags this car. It gets a 10.25 class-leading touchscreen. This is the automatic diesel, so it gets the drive modes and traction control. It also gets ventilated seats like the Hyundai Creta. Red elements everywhere here too. You get a semi-digital instrument cluster, which loses out to the Hyundai Creta, because it gets a digital instrument cluster. Here you get engine start, stop, traction control, and of course you get the headlight leveling switches right there. This car gets automatic wipers and automatic headlamps too. You get automatic climate control, but yeah, these are the AC controls right there. There's no electronic parking brake, which is a disadvantage because the Creta gets it. You get an auto dimming inside review mirror along with the SOS button. The driver's mirror place doesn't have anything, it's just a ticket holder. You get a sunglass holder right there, and you get 2 very nice push button LED lights. They look very cool. There is a mirror on the passenger side but no light, which is unfortunate. And then of course the electric sunroof, but it misses out on the panoramic sunroof like the Hyundai Creta. So it gets 2 lights at the rear, which is really cool. You get an air purifier, of course, again like the Creta. Red elements, red stitchings on the seats. You also get a 12-volt charging socket and a storage space along with scooped out seat backs, and you get 2 Kia pillows as standard. And of course you get a middle headrest, which is very cool. And you get a center armrest with 2 cup holders also. So you can see the screen right there. It says running out of fuel, would you like to search for a petrol pump? So that's a really cool feature. It's like it knows you. So that's a good thing in this car. You get a Bose 6-speaker sound system, and the audio quality is quite good. You get manually adjustable sunshades on all the 4 windows, which is a good touch.